guys, what's up? Sam here, and today I'll be showing you how to install a terabyte on a PS5. By the way, I'm totally not watching a tutorial. So, first thing we'll be doing is lay it down like this. Step 2 is grab the opposite ends of each other. So basically, like here and here. So now you lift up. Oh my god. So now step I think 3. Don't mind how dusty my PlayStation 5 is, but here is where the SD goes. Oh, SSD. Okay. So now we need to get a screwdriver like this and okay, now carefully so now you have to take the 1 terabyte. Wow. Okay, and see that little part over there, the green part? You're gonna wanna put this part into the my hands are shaking, that's how. And after that, where's this? This is a heat sink. So we put that there. My tiny and do the screwing. And that's it! Yeah! Oh wait, no, the last step. The hardest part for me. Never mind, that's the easiest part. See ya! So, after opening the PS5, you'll see this screen. So you're gonna wanna click format M.2 SSD. And you got your 1 terabyte. So after formatting it, you'll not wanna go to console storage, but M.2 SSD storage. Oh my god, free space. After that, so we're installing NBA 2K25 installed. You'll see after that, boom, you'll see always uninstall PS5 content here. So it'll be doing. Let's go. So we didn't have enough. It is a lot of gigabytes, but we officially did it. Yes! Like and subscribe, or else I'll put a cockroach, spider, and snakes under your pillow. See ya! See ya! Yeah! Ah!
How did you...
This isn't it. This isn't the screw. Wait. We accidentally did a bloopers where we switched. Give me that nail. This nail with this nail. This thing is like as small as a germ. Oh crap. Oh Oh no, another blooper.